Hello everyone, welcome back to my video series of me solving LeetCode problems. Okay, now we're going to problem 226, invert binary tree. And what is this? Oh, by the way, I'm not listening to my lo-fi, so I'm going to pause the video. And I'm back. I've grown accustomed to coding while listening to lo-fi music. Okay, so invert binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree and return its root. So, we need to do a symmetry of the tree. Okay. So I guess we can do this recursively, and it's pretty simple. So if root is none, return none. And I guess that we can say root dot left is equals invert self dot invert tree of root dot right, and the opposite root dot left and root dot right. Okay, why am I doing this in one line? Because otherwise I think I would have to have I'd have to create another variable which would be like temporary. But if I do this like this, I think I'm good. I think I don't need to do it. Return root. Let's run this. Accepted. So you just replace the left with the right and invert it. Invert the left and invert the right. Yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Hope you guys enjoyed it.